got a couple of other members here that are with us. We've got David as well as Robert Bell, and we'll go ahead and present, and we'll take some questions and answers. But thank you so much, LATAM Cardano community. Thank you so much for allowing us to be here. I'm thrilled that this is going to be translated into other languages, and I know we may say a little bit here in Spanish, but really thrilled to be here presenting this Catalyst proposal, which you could definitely scan using the QR code. This is a Catalyst proposal for StormRiders, and we are delighted to be presenting a new game that we're looking to build on the Cardano platform, which is a NFT play-to-earn game on Cardano. We're in the early phases of the development of this game, and we're really looking to kind of get things kickstarted in terms of the development. We're already sort of partnering with Dega and not officially partnering, but talking with Dega and other folks related to engaging the LATAM community and being more there. But we're in the early phases right now, and we're looking to bring on an art director and some other folks. And this proposal lays out the work we'd like to get done in the pre-production phase of StormRiders. So I'll go ahead and go through a little bit about this, but this is a play-to-earn game. It's going to be really fun and exciting, built on the Real Engine 5. We'll have digital ownership of NFTs with auctions and the ability to actually earn tokens through the game by doing action sports, both in skateboarding, snowboarding, and surfing. I know there's some great surfing all around Latin America. Absolutely, skateboarding is everywhere in the world, and snowboarding, of course, as well. And so we're really thrilled to bring forward a massive multiplayer online role-playing game that's featuring action sports. So the problem right now is traditional gaming. It's expensive. There's purchases and upgrades that you have to make. It lacks ownership and transferability of these assets. There's no monetization model currently in traditional gaming. And there's currently no mental health support. And we have some solutions we're bringing to the table with respect to these things. There's no compelling narrative in most action sports games. And there's currently no play-to-earn game that features action sports. Action sports in general, we're seeing sort of a decline in participation over the years, certainly competing with gaming online, being in the house on controllers all the time. We really want to promote people to go outside and actually play these sports. And so we actually have a bridge between the digital assets and the real world assets. So our hope is that we'll get more people to be engaged in surfing, snowboarding, and skateboarding globally as we proceed forward. So this is a bit of the problem we're trying to solve by building this game. So we'd like to introduce StormRiders, where we're going to have digital collectibles. It's going to be a narrative-driven action sports game that's going to be compelling, realistic. We actually will have pro action sports circuit competitions that are going to be there, and a variety of in-game and real-world rewards that you can get through explorations, quests, competitions. It's going to be social, fun, and exciting. So we're really thrilled. And we think that we can actually build this game much faster because of the AI development that's going to be brought to the table and actually moving this forward in a much faster clip. We're excited to have a number of pro athletes already on board, and these team riders will actually help to expand the reach into more players that we see globally around the world. So we have experts actually on our team that have connections with a lot of pro athletes in various sports, and we're delighted to be able to bring these forward as we go on. We actually will have a metaverse, and this is going to be built out, leveraging Cardano as sort of our main NFT platform, and we'll have our own tokenomics, all built within the Cardano ecosystem. So we're definitely thrilled to do that. We're also bringing forward an integration of 2B Medical Solutions concept of helping people within the game that are suffering from medical conditions, or mental health conditions. And there's about 1 billion people in the world today that are suffering from mental health. And what better way, if you're in a fun environment, to be able to really easily reach out and overcome the geographical and logistical barriers and actually get the help that people need actually within the game. And so we're delighted to be bringing MedQuest forward into an integration into the game of StormRiders. And so we're really hoping that we can save lives globally. So we've done a number of different milestones. We've been actually going, the team has been going since 2021 and actually developing the game. There's some beautiful graphics and assets that have already been created in Unreal Engine, moving that into Unreal Engine 5. We have experts that are focused on the game development, and we're looking to staff up the team. So through this, we're actually looking to be creating jobs as we go through this. We'll take some time to get through the pre-production phase and into the development start phase and really start ramping up. But we're delighted to be in such wonderful company of the pioneers of Cornucopias and other great games that are being built in Cardano, and really help to evolve this along with the community, really constantly getting feedback as we sort of drive this project forward. So we'll be hiring an art director, technical director, gameplay network engineer, and really we're getting us through the next 6 months. And that's the purpose of this proposal, is to really get us into the kickstart of defining the game design document and the technical design document for this game that we want to treat as a AAA rated game through an independent studio, which is what we're building up. So we're looking to complete that in the next 6 months, and that's what the proposal is about. Maybe I'll run the demo here in a second, but I did want to share our Discord. Please join us on Discord. We've had a thriving community that was there before, and we're looking to rebuild that. It was part of 2B3D, and so we're encouraging folks to come join us, join the community, join us as we're releasing a lot more information and details of our plans. But we've done a lot of work in the news already for Forbes, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance. Please Google 2B3D. There's a lot of the work that's been done for medical solutions already, and we really want to further that and make that available to lots of people all over the world very quickly. So with that, I will stop share, and if there's still time, I would love to show the video game demo, if that's okay.
Perfect, Harris. Yes, you can share. Have in mind that maybe you can have questions because the time thing, but no worries, please share.
Okay. I didn't click the share sounds, so now I've done that. And
we are not seeing neither yours. Okay, awesome.
Okay, so here's just sort of a teaser video of where we are today and some of the direction of where we're going. So please enjoy.
In a world where blockchain meets action sports, a new titan of online gaming is rising. Introducing StormRiders, a groundbreaking initiative by 2B3D, marking the next chapter in massively multiplayer online role-playing games. Step into a game where heart-stopping action sports meet the opportunities of play-to-earn and the pioneering reality of digital ownership. Experience an enthralling world as you've never imagined before. Your adventure starts at Pacific Eden, the core of our immersive action-verse. A world that's ever-expanding, ripe for exploration, and filled with adventures. Powered by the trailblazing Unreal Engine 5, we're raising the bar for MMORPGs with an intricately designed, visually stunning environment. Chart your own journey in StormRiders. Play and interact with actual pro, iconic, and legendary riders. Embrace the thrill as a pro athlete, ruling the skate park with gravity-defying tricks, owning the slopes as a snowboarder, or dominating the waves as a surfer. Each decision shapes the vibrant economy of our world. StormRiders is more than an NFT economy and exploration. It's a world where digital ownership aligns with real physical products. Create, possess, and trade digital assets, from high-performance skateboards to ATVs to customizable land plots. Some digital asset purchases will also be connected to physical assets that you get in real life. StormRiders is not just a game, it's a community. We're partnered with MedQuest, striving to impact the real world positively by supporting veterans battling mental health conditions right within our game. It is our pledge to intertwine digital action with real-world impact. Step into the new frontier with StormRiders, where electrifying gameplay, player-driven economies, physical and digital ownership unite in a spectacular actionverse. Welcome to the future of Web3 gaming. This is just the beginning. 2B3D. Play to earn action sports. Elevate your game.
All right. Thank you so
Awesome.
much for the opportunity to share that. Yeah, hopefully, you guys were able to hear and see that okay. We're just thrilled to have the opportunity to bring this forward. You know, I've been part of the Cardano community really for the last few years, probably since Fund 4, working with Project Catalyst, and definitely delighted to help the 2B3D team to sort of embrace the Cardano community the way that we all know and love. So delighted to be here. And I might turn the mic over for a moment to David, if you're okay to just say a few words. You're muted, David.
Get on mute, yeah.
Yeah, thanks for that, and great to be with all of you guys here. I think that was a great overview of it. I think the idea was I was going to say some things in Spanish, but now everybody here speaks English. But I'll still give a brief one in Spanish just because this might be listened by the other people. But yeah, I think. Do you want me to say in Spanish, or is this going to? I think we will overview. So
say a few words, it would be cool. But yeah,
so partly what we're doing, I think, here is not only the game itself, but I think I guess lo que estamos tratando de ver es, creemos que es un juego que no solo trae como lo mejor de AAA games a la industria, sino que también conecta con la parte de lo mejor de Web3, y creo que logra como bridge el gap que ha existido entre esos dos elementos, ¿no? O sea, un enfoque to Web3 crypto related que logra tal vez ese como play to earn reward system, pero que no tiene valor intrínseco en el play for fun, ¿no? Entonces creo que no solo estamos incluyendo gente de la industria, profesionales, para traer un play for fun AAA level game que logre en verdad atrapar como ese sentido de comunidad y valor que creemos que va a traducir muy bien. Y parte de lo que queremos hacer es incluir obviamente todo el mundo de Latinoamérica, no solo en el tema de temas técnicos, de involucrar gente del equipo, la comunidad de Cardano, sino que también involucrar potencialmente a algunos de los guilds, algunas de esas cosas que están buscando como nuevos proyectos, nuevos lugares donde participar en estas economías. Creo que en un juego y un área mucho más sostenible de lo que ha existido en el pasado, ¿no? Donde el enfoque ha sido appreciation of assets y token value. Nosotros estamos tratando un approach totalmente diferente, en verdad pensando en la calidad del juego, traer gente de la industria profesionales y en verdad crear valor, que gente quiera jugarlo for fun, pero también exista ese elemento de valores, ¿no?